I started a brand new group, a brand new community, and the point of this community is to have webinars, strategizing sessions, breakdowns, updates. So I'm gonna take you over to that screen right there and let's talk about it. First things first, if you get any messages from any other page that's not verified, it's not me. The reason I have this Instagram is because I want to show my consistency. So on this page, you can find testimonials from people that have worked with me. You can find withdrawals, personal withdrawals, student testimonials, student reviews, pieces of my life that I wish to share. And it's just me trying to show you the consistency and the journey. Most of you that are watching this video have been following me for at least 8 years, while I've been coaching people one-on-one and 5.5 years inside of Pipsology FX. This new group is in addition to everything else. It is my own thing. It's an extra service that I wish to provide. So let's talk about it. Let's get into it. So for the last 5.5 years, I've been inside of a group named Pipsology FX. In there, we do updates. It's basically a live journal, and we do long form videos, voice memo updates, and we have a 40-hour video series. In this new group, the goal is to do webinars. So we started our first webinar on Sunday. We're going to be doing 2 webinars a month on Sunday and 1 webinar somewhere midweek, depending on market conditions. And they're going to be basically live breakdowns with open Q&A. You can attend, you can ask questions. I'm going to be marking up my charts, breaking down my charts, strategizing for the following week on the assets that I am trading, which are right here. Basically, what it is a live session. From there, I'm going to have the updates during the week and video updates as well. So you're going to get a consistent flow of updating as far as what it is I'm doing. I call it live journaling. Think of it that way. And you get to interact and ask questions as well in here inside of the community chat. One more thing that's going to be built within this group is a brand new beginner course, which I've never had. Most of you know me for having this free crash course where you can access these videos. But this is crudely done and it's missing a lot of pieces. A new group with webinars, updates, video updates, constant communication and interaction, as well as beginner-friendly material, different trades, different traders. All I do is I'm the guiding eye, I'm the guiding light inside of this market. All I do is help them map it out. You can go through my page, you can contact people, you can do whatever it is you need to do. Remember, we're not a signal group, we're non-signals. We're education first. Every single one of those testimonials are via education and teaching people how to trade. But you have to wonder why all these screenshots that I am showing you on this screen at this very moment all look very similar. Why? What's going on? How are they catching these entries? It's the webinars, it's the videos, it's the updating, it's the education, it's the process of actually teaching someone how to do this. As always, happy trading.